Well, hey you guys. Well, today's open mic night at the Dumb Retarded Dog Studios. Okay, here we go. The first up is a supposed comedian, Dale.
Okay, here we go. So how about that airplane food? Yeah, airplane food. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, yeah, airplane food. It's cool. Yeah, very cool. Very cool. Hey! Hey! Don't fall asleep, you stupid. Just forget it. Bye, dummies. You don't know talent.
Wait, what? What was he saying? Oh yeah, okay, up next on open mic night is, Jersey Shore Kitty. She's not literally from that show, Jersey Shore. It's just a Jersey. Okay, you know what? She might not sound Jersey. Oh, just here she is.
Wait, what was I supposed to do? Man, this is stupid. I mean, it's a stupid open mic night. I mean, what the? That's just retarded. Just like, what the heck? Like,
Okay, never mind. That's just, oh yeah, there's this guy. Anyone who is Spanish or Hispanic, please leave the room now. He's not gonna make Hispanic jokes. He talks weird. Here you go.
hey, what up, man? How you doing? Yeah.
Never mind. Alright, well, up next is little old kitty cat. Really, really talented. I hope. Yeah. Yeah. She's really talented. I'll do my manager voice. I see you on Broadway. Mo face everything. Alright, here she is.
Thank you, Steve. Okay, I'm gonna sing Dell Set Fire to the Wind. Because it's a really nice song. I love it. How you doing? Okay, anyway, no, seriously, I just like that song. Yeah. Here we go. Wait, just one more thing. I'll just sing la 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 for a moment. La 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 la. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm at. Here we go.
I let it fall, my heart, and as I fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees are far too weak. Sand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things that you said that were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it burn as it touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things that you say, they were never true. And the games that you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door. The heart you caught must be waiting for you. Even now, when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Ooh.